In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the login password and disable the lock screen in Windows 10. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Accounts, then select Sign-in options from the left side. Here, find the option for Password Sign-in and set it to Never. Next, search for NetPLWIZ in the Start menu and open it. In the User Accounts window, select your account and uncheck the box that says Users must enter a username and password. Click Apply. A small window will pop up asking for your current password. Enter your password, re-enter it to confirm, and click OK. Click OK again to close the window. Now, your login password and lock screen are disabled, and Windows 10 will sign in automatically. And that's how you remove the login password on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.